Hi guys, Cynthia here and welcome to the launch of Insta Jackpot. In this course, you're gonna learn 5 ways to make money with Instagram without any followers. I'm sure you're tired of everyone telling you that to make money with Instagram, you have to do a bunch of work. You have to do hashtag research. You have to build your following. You have to post like 6 times a day to grow your account. You have to do report and comment on other people's posts and all of those things. That is a lot of work just to make money with Instagram. So that's why I put this course together, and I'm gonna show you 5 ways to make money with Instagram without any followers, so you don't have to do any of that work that other people teach you that you need to do on Instagram, guys. So as I said, this has nothing to do with building a following on Instagram. It has nothing to do with becoming an Instagram social media marketer. It has nothing to do with doing hashtag research and posting on Instagram to grow your account. It has nothing to do with any of that. It's just 5 unique ways that you can use to make money with Instagram like the same day. And I even teach you recurring methods that you can do so you can get paid monthly from these people on Instagram. So it's really excited, and I'm sure you haven't heard of this method of making money with Instagram. So you're gonna learn a lot on this course. It's super newbie friendly. Anyone can make money with this method, guys. It's really straightforward, and there's gonna be over like 10 videos where I'm gonna show you step by step what you need to do on these 5 methods. And yeah, it's gonna be really straightforward and really easy, guys. But as always, no one can do the work for you. I can teach you the method, but you have to do the work. You have to take action. If no, this is not gonna work for you, guys. So this industry is all about action takers. So if you're an action taker, get onto this course because you're gonna make money 100%, guys. And yeah, this course is at the lowest price I could put it on. So down below is the lowest price you're gonna find. In launch week, as I said, it's at the lowest price that it's ever gonna be, and then it's just gonna go up. But for action takers, for the first few days, it's gonna be really cheap, guys. So as I always say, invest in yourself, invest in your business, and invest in your future. And I see you in the inside, guys. Take care.